Hi, today we learn how to translate using Google Spreadsheet. Search Google for spreadsheet. Go to spreadsheet website of Google. Here you have to log in before using Google Spreadsheet services. Go to Google Sheet. Here you find multiple templates. For demo purpose, we can use blank template. After clicking that blank template, you will see spreadsheet. It is very similar to Excel spreadsheet provided by Microsoft. Consists of rows and columns. Type the data you want to convert to other languages. For example purpose, I pasted some data here. On the right side you see 4 different columns. This is for demo purpose. I create 4 different languages. Each language is followed by their language code. This is the site where you can find language code of different languages. Search Google for Google language code. There you find developer website for Google where you find language code. Use this language code to convert one language to other. For converting language to other language, Google provide Google Translate formula function. In this function you have to provide 3 arguments. First is source column to be converted, second source column language code, and third is destination column language code, means the language to be converted. Hit enter and drag this column to convert all the rows. Similarly, we can repeat this process for other language. Here source column will be A1 column, source language will be EN, that is English, and for destination language code we use FR for France. Hit enter. Repeat this for Hindi. Changing the destination language code to HI. Hit enter. Drag this column. Performing similar step for Urdu language. Changing the destination language code to UR for Urdu. Hit enter, drag this. It will convert all the English language provided in column A to 4 different languages. Remember this formula. It is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for all new updates.